Hi there, I'm Carl White. I'm responsible for manufacturing engineering products at Autodesk, and I'm here at the EMO Metalworking Show with Tom Mortensen, the Director of Development for our CAM products. We're here actually today launching Inventor HSM Express, which is our free 2.5-axis product. I want to ask Anthony Graves, who's our product manager, who's actually in North Carolina, to tell us a little bit about that product. Anthony?
Sure, Carl. As Carl just mentioned, Inventor HSM Express is our free 2.5-axis CAM solution that's been designed specifically to run inside of Inventor and Inventor LT. Many people who are watching probably know that the company that Tom and I were previously with, HSMWorks, was acquired last October, as a matter of fact, by Autodesk, and since then we've been working really hard to bring that same integrated CAM product that we had previously developed and continue to develop for SolidWorks users to the user community of Inventor and Inventor LT. So we're really excited about this launch. We've spent about two months now with a public beta. We've had nearly 1,000 people participating in that public beta to give us some really good feedback on the product. So today is the culmination of a lot of hard work by a lot of folks around the world that are part of Carl's CAM team here at Autodesk.
Cool. Thanks, Anthony. So, you know, I've got Tom here with me. Tom is actually the architect of the original HSMWorks product, and he's done all the work in integrating it into Inventor. Tom, why don't you let everybody know, where did the HSMWorks product come from?
Well, HSMWorks started out as an add-in product for SolidWorks. Development began 6 or 7 years ago. And at HSMWorks, back in that day, we recognized that a lot of the CAM products out there had sort of a stagnant technology. They were depending on 32-bit and designed for architecture of computers that was mid-90s. So we took a different approach, started over from scratch, and did a completely new design of the machining kernel based on 64-bit, multi-core, and all these things. And from that technology we developed the SolidWorks product and designed it in such a way that we could bring it to other products as well. And in this case, we're very excited about launching the Inventor HSM Express product that's based on that 64-bit multi-core technology.
Outstanding, outstanding. One of the things that Anthony, our product manager, talks a lot about is the quality not just of the software but of the tool path that it creates and the ability to do good machining. So Anthony, you want to talk about that for a second?
Yeah, sure, Carl. When it comes to CAM, the most important thing is producing good parts on the CNC machines. It doesn't matter how fast the software is or how many bells and whistles or what capabilities or neat functionality you have. At the end of the day, you have to produce good parts. So we've spent a lot of time, as Tom mentioned, over the past 6 or 7 years now, developing the underlying technology that Inventor HSM Express is built upon, so that we can produce high-quality tool paths as quickly as possible. And really, when it comes to quality, we're talking about not only the quality of the surface finish of the produced part, but how quickly we can actually machine the part. How much we can reduce the cycle time, reduce machine wear, reduce tool wear to produce the finished part. So we've spent a lot of time, and as I mentioned earlier, we had a really healthy 2-month beta for Inventor HSM Express, and we're confident that the quality of the product meets the standards that we've set for ourselves and is worthy of the Autodesk name.
Excellent, excellent. Thanks, Anthony. I want to touch on one more topic that was vital in my looking at you guys as a partner that we wanted to bring on board with Autodesk, which was integration. This is a hallmark of what you guys did for SolidWorks. You guys were a SolidWorks Gold partner. And what I've seen you guys do with the integration with Inventor is very similar to what you've done with SolidWorks. Tom, do you want to talk a little bit about the philosophy of integration?
Sure. It's been obvious for anybody who looked at integrated solutions that a lot of these out there are based on a legacy application that's then been ported into whatever host CAD system they're working inside. Whereas we designed from day one to work inside SolidWorks, and we sort of took the SolidWorks approach to everything you want to do. So if there's an equivalent operation in a CAD system, we would use the SolidWorks approach. And that just lends itself to a lot better user experience for people that are familiar with SolidWorks, and at the same time, it allows you to, whatever knowledge you gain in the CAM process, you can easily bring to the CAD process. So it goes both ways, and I think that's the hallmark of any good integration, is that you don't think about it as CAD or CAM, you're thinking about it as one solution. And the same philosophy we brought over to the Inventor product. Looking at Inventor, we looked at the things that are specific to Inventor and adapted the HSMWorks approach to the Inventor product.
Anthony, you want to add anything to that?
Sure, and I think one of our guys is going to show on the screen right now a video that shows users the integration of our CAM solution inside of the Inventor design environment. Our integration with the ribbon bar, our addition of a CAM browser, along with the model browser that users of Inventor and Inventor LT are familiar with. The fact that we integrated the simulation inside of Inventor, all of that's important, because at the end of the day, the goal is to eliminate that mental barrier that often is found with poorly integrated solutions. When a user moves between the design and the machining and the simulation environment, you want that to be just a seamless workflow, a transparent workflow, really. And I think we've achieved that for Inventor users. That's the feedback that we've gotten, and that was really important for us. And like I said, I think we've done a good job preserving the integrity of that Inventor user experience. And now the general public is going to be able to give us feedback and see if we've been able to do that.
I've talked to a lot of people here who are really excited about seeing CAM coming from Autodesk, and I think this is a big day for us, not just in the manufacturing group, but for Autodesk as a whole, to be stepping into this market. And I think we've done a really good job in creating a very high quality product that does a great job of being integrated into Inventor. And just from the beta feedback that we've seen through kind of the internal testing that we've been doing, the Inventor customers really like what they've got. So, hats off to Tom, hats off to Anthony. If you want to get your hands on it, cam.autodesk.com.
Yep,
so
that's it.
From EMO, we're going to go look at some really cool machine tools and some tooling, and we hope you guys have a good time with the product.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks.